realizing how bad my addiction was, I came right here and I moped. I didn't know that there was a building across the street that was a building that was a place to reach out to. And that's what I needed at that time, but it was like it was invisible. I didn't see that building, even though it was there. So I walked in. And I said, I need to talk to somebody. I'm not doing so well. I feel like relapsing. I feel like shit. Who do I reach out to here? I ended up having a sit-down conversation with Ken Ward. And that's how it started. I felt relieved that day. I felt a better understanding on my illness, on how I can control it, how I can live with it, and how I can learn to respect who I am, body and mind and spirit.